How to delete Meta AI from Facebook. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to delete or remove Meta AI features from your Facebook account. If you're looking to manage your AI interactions, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're using the account where you want to manage Meta AI settings. Click on the down arrow in the top right corner of your Facebook page to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and this will take you to your account settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Look for sections related to AI, ads, or app settings where Meta AI features might be listed. To manage or remove Meta AI features, look for the options like apps and websites or ad preferences. You may need to adjust settings or remove specific apps associated with Meta AI, so click on Edit or Remove to change your preferences. After making the necessary adjustments, confirm your changes and ensure that Meta AI features are removed or deactivated according to your preferences. And that's it, you've successfully removed Meta AI features from your Facebook account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Check the description below for additional resources. Thanks for watching.